This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so as I understood that you are working in some project and there is some FICA requirement, so you want to learn
Yeah,
it,
yeah,
right? Okay,
yeah, yeah,
got it. Okay, so so I hope you aware about the contents which I shared yesterday. So this will be the your training content
okay.
for FIC. So in so throughout the training, we will cover this topic one by one, like what is
Mm-hmm,
FICA.
mm-hmm,
Uh, Basically, we will understand what is utility and then FICA.
okay.
What is the concept and logic behind FICA module, the technology,
Mm,
the mass processing and master data. So these are the
okay.
basic core component for FICA module. So
Mm-hmm,
this is very important topic, and for every FICA candidate who wants to learn FICA, he should be strong in these concepts.
okay.
After that, we will go through this document structure,
Mm-hmm,
uh, how the posting documents looks like, how it integrate with general ledger, what are the GL accounts and account balance display. So
okay.
by going through the content, you can understand few things like these things we are using on the daily basis, like
Yeah.
transactions, general ledgers, okay, payments.
Mm-hmm,
As a BCom, MCom student, you can understand something, right? What is the
yeah, yeah,
general ledger account, tax determination. So
yeah.
these all are real-time terminology, and we will see how these are reflected into the system. We will try to
Mm-hmm,
understand that.
okay.
So you can see like payments, payment runs, return processing, clearing control, installment plan, account maintenance, document transfer. So these are the content for that FICA training. Okay. In the
Okay.
last section, we will understand the integration of FICA module with other SAP module. So I
Okay.
think you know something about SAP, right?
Yeah, yeah, I know.
Okay. So you know that SAP develops the ERP software, and this ERP software is widely used for the companies across the tech sectors like utilities or normal mid-sized organizations, medical
Mm-hmm,
organizations, telecom organizations, electricity, or normal any industry you take where the financial transaction take place, the
mm-hmm,
ERP comes into the picture. So this
okay.
FICA generally deals with the finance thing of SAP uh, ISU. So ISU
Okay.
is not only FICA. ISU has different modules like billing, device management, CRM, and in the last it comes FICA, and then
Okay.
general ledger account. So FICA, whatever the financial transactions take place, suppose any invoicing happening, it will record it into the FICA module. And from there,
Mm-hmm,
subsequent process, like on the basis of invoices, you are going to receive the payments, or you are going to do the reminder letter for the payment, the check payments,
okay.
payment
Mm-hmm,
failure at the bank, like a return payment return, tax determination. So everything you will learn in this FICA training.
okay.
So let me come to the slide.
Mm-hmm,
So this is the core concept of ISU. So
okay.
you whenever we learn FICA, just imagine that you are a customer, okay, of any utility
Mm-hmm,
organizations.
mm-hmm,
Suppose you are a electricity consumer or water consumer, okay, or a gas consumer. So you know we all are
mm-hmm,
electricity consumer. We in our home there is a meter, and every month the meter reading take place, and based on that the bill comes. to us and we
Mm-hmm.
do the payment, right?
Yeah.
So
Mm-hmm.
in this way, if you consider yourself, then you will be able to understand in much better way. Okay.
Okay.
So first
Mm-hmm.
first understanding FICA will not fulfill the requirement. We need to understand uh, what is the basic core concepts of ISU industries. Okay. So suppose
Okay.
you are
Okay.
a consumer. You can see my screen, right?
Yeah, I can see your
Okay.
stream.
So suppose you are a consumer, okay,
Mm-hmm.
right here, and you live in a home or in any
Mm-hmm.
apartment. Okay, this is the example of
Okay.
apartment. Okay, so there
Okay.
are not a one apartment. There are many apartments. Apartment one, apartment two, apartment three. Okay, so for
Mm-hmm.
this building,
Mm-hmm.
what electricity these electricians will do? They will provide the connections, right,
Yeah. Yeah.
from a pole or something. Something pole from the gated society or something else. Okay, so from there the
Mm-hmm.
connection will be provided. So once that
Yeah.
connection is provided, that will be called a connection object.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so once connection is given, then in every apartment, right,
Mm-hmm.
every apartment does not have the uh, meters, right? Sometimes what we
Yeah.
see in the society, we see all the meters are in the basement, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
It is not on the each and every flat. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
similarly
Yeah.
in the apartment, maybe there might be the location of all the meter is the common location, or maybe it is based on the apartment wise. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so suppose this is your apartment, apartment 1. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
this is the basement
Mm-hmm.
where a device is fixed. Device means meter.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
and this device 2 is for apartment 2. Okay,
Okay.
understand like that. This device 2 is for
Yeah.
apartment
Okay.
2, and once this device and apartment is linked, then
Mm-hmm.
through the SAP process we create an installation. Okay,
Okay.
once that
Mm-hmm.
installation is created, installation is not a physical thing, okay, which you can see. You can see
Mm-hmm.
apartment, you can see the
Yeah.
device means meter. Okay, but installation is
Mm-hmm.
a technical thing which stay in the system, SAP system. Okay,
Okay.
this installation
Mm-hmm.
will connect you
Mm-hmm.
through a master data called contract account and contract.
Okay.
Okay, this
Okay. Okay.
installation is linked to contract, and this contract is linked to contract account, and this contract account is
Mm-hmm.
linked to business partner. Okay, so
Okay.
understand
Mm-hmm.
the flow. Okay, you as a
Yeah.
consumer will act as a business partner.
Mm-hmm.
So business partner is again linked to a contract account.
Mm-hmm.
Contract account is linked to contract,
Mm-hmm.
and contract is linked to installations. So
Okay.
this is one way flow, right?
Okay.
Similarly, suppose you are this is a flow of electricity customer. Okay, the customer who are using
Mm-hmm.
electricity, might be you are
Okay.
using some other services as well, like gas connection in your home
Mm-hmm.
as well. Okay, from other
Mm-hmm.
company. So for gas connection as
Okay.
well, there will be a meter, right? There will be an
Mm-hmm.
installation, there will be a contract, there will be a
Yeah.
contract account, and a business partner.
Okay.
Okay, suppose you are
Mm-hmm.
using water connection in your home. So similarly for water,
Yeah.
there will be a device, the meter, the
Meter.
installations, the
Yeah.
contract, and the contract account.
Okay.
So in the nutshell, we can say that whenever we use any services, utility
Mm-hmm.
services, the first thing is required.
ఏంది బాబు మంది రావట్లేదు.
Hello.
హలో!
Yeah, any
శ్రవంతి
problem?
గారు. రాలేదండి.
Yeah,
మధ్యలో ఆయన వాయిస్ పోయింది. ఇప్పుడు ఆయన ట్రైనర్ కూడా లేరు.
yeah, 1 second. Trainer ఉన్నారండి call లో. Amit, can you please
మధ్య
respond? I think he's in mute. He will come back, Lalita.
Yeah, okay. In between, I can't hear his voice for few minutes.
No, no, he's in
Uh,
mute. I think he will come back.
Okay, okay.
Hello.
Hello.
Uh, Lalita, sorry, I was disconnected. Am I audible now?
Okay, okay. That's what. Yeah, yeah, you are out. That's what I am wondering. Is there any problem from my end?
Okay, okay, no problem.
Okay,
I'm sharing my screen. Okay.
okay, okay.
Hmm. You can see, right?
Yeah, yeah, I can see now.
Okay. So, yes. So, whenever we start any utility services means
Mm-hmm.
electricity, gas, water,
Mm-hmm.
or mobile, telecom. Okay, these comes under
Mm-hmm.
utility services.
Mm-hmm.
So, so the concept is same in SAP. The the master data setup or the device setup, the apartment setup, everything is same. The flow
Mm-hmm.
looks like same. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and we see on the regular basis, right? How it happens.
Yeah,
The bill comes and we pay the payment and everything. But
yeah.
actually, it looks simple, but when we go to the in detail, that is vast.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So
Yeah,
generally, see this in one box. There are many things: apartment, device, installations, contract account, business partner.
yeah.
So in this FICA training, we will be seeing all this terminology every time. Okay,
Okay.
not the device every time, but contract, the business partner, contract account, contract, and
Mm-hmm.
installations.
Mm-hmm.
Whenever we perform anything, we will see this business partner, contract account, and contract every time
Okay.
in FICA. Okay.
Okay.
So we need to understand very well in detail what is business partner, the account, and the contract. Installations
Mm-hmm.
and device and apartment, these comes under different module. Okay, this comes under
Okay.
the device management, and mainly billing team deals with installations and everything. Okay,
Okay.
this is not our task, but at least to have a
Okay.
clear picture on that,
Mm-hmm.
uh, we we at least know what is installation and device. Okay,
Okay. Mm-hmm.
so generally apartment is also called the premise in SAP.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay, so there is no difference between premise and apartment in SAP. That is same. Okay.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Now, so generally this whole setup is divided into technical master data and business master data.
Okay.
Okay. So the
Mm-hmm.
business master data are like business partner, the contract
Mm-hmm.
account, and the contract. Okay.
Okay.
And the technical master data comes under installations, device, the apartment, connection objects. These are the technical master data.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now let me give overview about the business partner. So you are aware about the
Mm-hmm.
you having something about this utility module, right? How it
No, not
at
really,
least.
yeah. Because I'm
Mhm,
new to
mhm.
this concept.
Okay, okay. So yeah, so I will be very happy if you ask any questions anytime. Okay,
Okay. Okay. Okay.
it's not like okay because this training is for you, so you have full right to
Yeah.
ask
Yeah.
any questions anytime. Okay.
Sure. Sure.
Hmm.
Yeah, okay.
So let me know which terminology you have seen in your project more.
Means
Have
which
you seen
project? This
business
was
partner contract
FSE.
account
No, no.
in
FSE.
your
I didn't
project?
started it. I haven't started
Okay,
yet
not
this one.
okay, 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 got it.
Okay.
No problem. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so okay, so now we see the ISU. I will open a notepad.
Okay.
So this ISU actually this SAP has developed ERP
Mm-hmm.
software. Okay, now
Okay.
SAP continuously develop the software and do some releases, provide different product on the ERP every
Mm-hmm.
time, every release. Okay,
Okay.
and they
Mm-hmm.
provide different tools as well. So under
Okay.
ERP, they have many core module like FICO, MM, SD. Okay,
Okay.
uh, BIBW,
Yeah.
BIBW, ABAP.
Yeah.
So these are very common terms. Everybody knows what are FICO, MM, SD because we have a lot of things available on the internet for this module.
Yeah.
But for FIC,
Mm-hmm.
which is the module uh, provided by SAP to overcome some of the drawbacks in FICO and MM and SD module, which they cannot handle the
Mm-hmm.
utility-based scenario. Okay.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Normally, we have automobile industries, we have medical industries, we have clothing
Okay.
industries, okay,
Mm-hmm.
manufacturing industries. So they are using these modules MMSD, FICO, PIBW,
Yeah.
and they are running their business very fine. But the
Mm-hmm.
utility industries, mainly like electricity company,
System.
insurance
Mm.
company, water company,
Water come.
in the plus the gas company. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Mm.
so majorly electricity industries are widely providing their services in India. Okay, every home has
Yeah. Yeah.
electricity connections, right?
Yeah.
But the
Mm.
water industry is not much. Uh, I mean to say in the rural areas, they are limited to urban areas. Okay,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
similarly, gas industry in the few metro cities, the gas connections are actually provided. We are not using
Yeah.
cylinder; they are just providing the gas supply through pipeline. Okay,
Yeah. Mm.
right. So SAP has developed this ISU.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not going to year when they develop or something, even I don't know. So this ISU
Mm-hmm.
they have provided, sorry, they have provided to overcome
Can you
certain
share your notepad, please?
notepad. Yes,
Yeah.
it is not visible.
No, 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 not visible because that main screen is visible, not the notepad.
Okay, 1 minute. Entire screen. Okay. So yeah,
Yeah.
ISU we have provided, SAP has provided to overcome certain drawbacks which basically FICO MMSD cannot provide for angle of utility industries. Okay,
Okay. Mm-hmm.
got it?
Yeah.
Now, this ISU module
Mm-hmm.
has is not only FICA, it has ISU CRM, okay,
Mm-hmm. Okay.
ISU PM, we can say device management.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Third, we can say ISU billing, and
Mm-hmm.
fourth ISU FICA. Okay,
Okay.
so it has various modules: CRM, device management, billing, FICA. So we will learn FICA here.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay. Mm-hmm.
but at least we should know the what is CRM, device management, billing, and FICA. Device, the
Okay.
CRM is nothing but a front end. Okay,
Okay.
which is actually for customers informations, customers
Mm-hmm.
call centers. Okay, the call
Okay.
centers executives in the industry are using
Mm-hmm.
ISU CRM for providing certain
Okay.
information to the customer. Okay, so you know
Okay.
that when you have some billing complaints, right, you call to electricity
Yeah.
department call centers, right?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So those agents actually have the CRM access. They can access the
Oh,
customer information, they can view the billing informations, everything,
okay.
and they can provide certain support to the customer. This device management is the module which actually deals with the device setup. Okay, like your
Okay. Mm-hmm.
meter fault,
Okay.
meter changes, okay,
Mm.
device is connected at the home or not. Okay, these things will be handled under device management. Okay,
Okay.
ISU billing. ISU billing generally handles with the billing of the generating the billing of the consumed electricity. Okay, so
Okay.
when in the whole month whatever electricity we consumed, it will recorded into the form of unit, right?
Yeah.
So these unit are chargeable. So based on this
Yeah.
unit, this billing module, what happens under this billing module? This billing module generates the bill for that customer. Okay,
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
and once that bill is generated, the FICA module, what it does, it actually generates the invoice
Okay.
on the base of this billing document, which is generated in the
Okay.
billing module. So
Okay.
FICA generates the invoice, and after generation of the invoice, we have lot of more processes based on this
Mm-hmm.
invoice. Okay, like invoice
Okay.
corrections, also
Mm-hmm.
invoice reversal, the dunning, the
Okay.
installment, submit to collection agency. I will explain you when we come to the training what are these things. Okay, these are the
Okay.
just
Okay. Okay. Sure.
basic understanding. Okay,
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So these things. Now I will come to the slide again.
Okay.
So, so as I said that this uh, business partner is nothing but a customer. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
suppose you, myself, okay, in your home the
Mm-hmm.
business the connection is on your father's name, so your father is a
Mm-hmm.
business partner.
Okay.
Okay, in SAP
Mm-hmm.
actually we need to use some common terminology which is used widely. SAP says
Okay.
this customer as a business partner. Okay,
Okay.
so
Mm-hmm.
every time if I say business partner, just treat it as a customer
Okay. Okay.
in the perspective of utility industries.
Utility industries. Okay. Okay.
Uh, okay, it might
Mm-hmm.
be
Okay. Sure.
vendor. I will come to that point as well.
Mm-hmm.
But generally, it is customer.
Okay. Okay.
Second thing is contract account. So whenever we create a business partner in SAP system, a
Mm-hmm.
contract account creation is a must.
Okay.
Now you will say why we have created business partner, why we need to create the contract account.
Yeah.
See, business when we create a business partner, this business partner has some physical information of that customer. Okay,
Okay.
physical informations like his name,
Mm-hmm.
address, telephone number,
Yeah.
postal code,
Mm-hmm.
city, area, country,
Mm-hmm.
district, any
Yeah.
ID like Aadhaar number or any PAN number or
Mm-hmm.
social security number or passport.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so these are the some information about the business partner, about the customer. So business
Customer.
partner holds the information about the customer. Okay,
Okay.
now
Mm-hmm.
when business partner is created,
Mm-hmm.
it's time to create the contract account. So contract
Okay.
account is actually does not hold the customer informations. Okay,
Okay.
it only holds the technical information of the business partner and
Mm-hmm.
organization. Okay.
Okay.
How this contract account technical information? I will give example. Suppose a
Mm-hmm.
customer is using is opting for new electricity connections. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so a
Mm-hmm.
business partner will be created on his name, and
Okay.
another contract account will be created. But customer says that hey, I am not. Whenever you send me a bill, okay,
Mm-hmm.
you directly
Mm-hmm.
you directly deduct the amount from my bank account. Whenever
Okay.
you send the bill to me, you directly deduct the account from my bank account.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, suppose you are a
Mm-hmm.
customer and you say to which is the electricity company in your area?
Mm. In her
You
area, it's the local. It's the government one. I
government
stay
one.
abroad.
Okay,
No,
so
this. Yeah,
which state?
it's the South Africa
Andhra
Gauteng
Pradesh,
province. It's the province one.
South Africa.
Yeah, it's the South Africa province one.
Oh, okay.
Johannesburg province.
So, so in your area, you say to the company that, hey, I'm not going to pay through online mode or cash mode.
Mm-hmm.
You just deduct the amount from my bank account.
Okay.
So what? So these all informations
Mm-hmm.
like how customer will pay. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
what is customer intention to pay? How customer will be send the reminding letter. These all are the
Okay.
technical information will be stored at the contract account level. Okay,
Okay. Mm-hmm.
you got it. There
Yeah.
are
Yeah.
many more technical information, but I cannot cover in the whole session. Just for
Mm-hmm.
your understanding, I am giving one example.
Okay. Okay.
Once contract account is created, Then again another master data will be created, that is a contract. So contract is
Okay.
nothing but a kind of services you are using. Okay,
Okay.
suppose you are using electricity services, then it is a electricity contract. If you are using water services, then it is a water contract. So it
Yeah.
generally denotes the services of the business partner.
Okay.
Okay, right? So these things are
Yeah.
mandatory. You cannot skip any of them in the FIC.
Mm.
Okay, in the IQ.
Okay.
So
Okay.
these all three together comes under business master data. Okay,
Okay.
because customer should know how I am going to pay, and
Mm-hmm.
organization also should know how they are going to pay, what is the address of the customer, what are the services they are
Mm-hmm.
using, everything we can see in the business master data.
Okay. Okay.
Now, as I said that installations and premise are also master data, but they comes under technical master data. Okay, so we will
Okay.
not go under
Mm-hmm.
that, because these belongs to different module. Okay, if I come to my previous
Okay.
slide,
Mm-hmm.
installations and device, these both together and premise comes under billing and DM module. Okay,
Okay.
we had discussed, right,
Mm-hmm.
billing and device management.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
For us, business partner, contract and contract accounts are the master data we use every time. Got it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay, now
Yeah. Fine.
next slide. Now you didn't ask a questions that a business partner can have two contract account or can have three contract account. Okay,
Mm. Mm-hmm.
so it is possible, right? A business partner
Mm-hmm.
can
Okay.
have multiple contract account, that is one to n relationship.
Okay.
Got it? It is
Mm-hmm.
not way that a business partner is only having one contract account. There is no restrictions. He can have n number of a contract account.
Okay.
Okay, and one contract account has having one contract.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Then it will be the
one
duplication,
contract
no?
account where duplications.
If we have
Which
multiple
line?
contracts, if the business partner have multiple
No,
contract accounts, then it will be the duplication, no?
no duplicacy. A business partner can have multiple contract account, but the contract accounts are different. Means they are not the same, right?
Mm-hmm.
Suppose I will give example. Suppose I am creating a business partner. Suppose say names James. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
this James having contract account. Say number, we can say any number like 345. Okay, 3456.
Okay.
And this business
Mm-hmm.
partner can have another contract account, say 1234.
Okay. Okay.
But the James business partner is same. His number is suppose in the system is 901.
Okay.
Just taking the example to understand. Okay.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
SAP generally does not understand any system in the world does not understand the text. They only run based on
Mm-hmm.
the number, right?
Okay. Okay.
So whenever we create a business partner, there will be a number to identify the
Mm-hmm.
business partner. Similarly, when we create
Okay.
the contract account, a contract account number will be created into the system, not only the text.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Got it, my point?
Yeah. 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 Got it.
So, this business partner 901 having multiple
Mm-hmm.
contract account 3456 and 1234, but
Mm-hmm.
this contract account is for different services. Suppose this contract account is for suppose my
Mm-hmm.
home connection, and this contract account is for my shop connection.
Okay.
I can
Okay.
create
Okay.
another contract account. It is for my suppose 8956. It is
Mm-hmm.
for my school. Suppose
Okay.
I
Okay.
have one school. Okay, there also have
Yeah.
one electricity connection.
Correction. Okay.
Got it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Now, one contract account can have one contract.
Multiple.
Multiple contract
Okay.
possible, but at this one time only one active contract is possible. Okay.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So one contract account can have multiple contract, but
Mm-hmm.
on one time there will be only one active contract. Okay. If they have
Okay.
three contracts, then the two will be deactivated and
Mm-hmm.
one will be activated. Got my point?
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I will explain that in when it comes to okay. But generally,
Okay.
let's understand that one contract account having one contract
Well,
every
okay.
time.
Okay.
One contract that is one to one. Okay.
Okay.
Here also
Okay.
one contract has one contract. Got it?
Okay. Yeah.
So we understood that what is business partner, what is contract account, but
Mm-hmm.
we are not able to understand what is contract actually. So I will show into the system SAP system. So it will be more
Mm-hmm.
helpful for you to understand. Okay. So I am
Okay.
logging
Sure.
into the SAP system. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
For for to demonstrate the business partner and contract, then it will
Okay.
be very good for us to understand. Okay. So let me log
Sure.
in into the SAP system. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Wait.
Okay. Okay.
Is Ravanti on the call?
Hi Amit, I made you presenter. Can you check, try to share? Yeah.
Okay, I got it.
Fine, right?
I can
Yeah.
share it.
Yeah.
So let me know if you can see the screen.
Lalita, you can see, right?
Yeah, I can see the screen.
Okay. Okay, done.
Okay. So Lalita. So as you can see,
Mhm.
this is command prompt,
Okay. Can you enlarge the screen,
right?
make it bigger?
Okay.
Lalita, can you try from your side to maximize it?
Um,
I think
I think I can't manage it because he's sharing the screen, no?
I mean, the appearance from GoToMeeting app. Are you able to see it very small?
Yeah, it's a bit small. Okay, but okay, it's fine.
Yeah, yeah. We'll check. We'll check up later. Yeah, yeah. For now, we'll go ahead.
Okay.
I think Sai, it is working. It is not working on the zoom. If we click on the zoom button just beside the screen,
Okay. Mm-hmm. No, because I'm
when we
able to
click,
see as a full screen only.
you can see.
Yeah, yeah, I can see as a full screen.
No,
If it is
even I
manageable,
cannot.
we'll continue. Lalita, is it manageable for now?
Yeah, it's manageable for now.
Yeah, yeah. We will see if during the class system. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Okay. So Lalita, so for for creation of business partner,
Okay.
we use the transaction DP.
Okay.
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 So I think it is not visible here. There is one box on the top side. Just put B
Mm-hmm.
and P.
B and
So as
P.
you click
Okay.
on B and P, this screen comes.
Mhm. Okay.
Okay. Now I'm not creating any business partner. I am using the existing one. Okay. So
Okay.
I'm just searching any existing business partner.
Mm-hmm.
Suppose this one.
Okay.
Okay. So you
Yeah.
can see that there is one business partner number on the top side.
Yeah.
Okay. 100034.
Mm-hmm.
So through
Yeah.
this number, actually the business partner is identified.
Okay.
Now, system has identified the business partner. Now I want to see his or her address details and names,
Mm-hmm.
birth country. So you can see there is a name,
Mm-hmm.
first name, last name, country.
Mm-hmm.
If we scroll down, district, postal codes,
Mm-hmm.
city,
Yeah.
country, time zone. So everything we can maintain here. Okay. There
Okay.
are few blank fields as well, but because those entries were not provided at the time, BP creation.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Now if you scroll down more, you can see telephone number, cell phone, fax, email address,
Mm-hmm.
everything you can provide.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
There is, so these are very common things, like common
Yeah.
data for any
Mm-hmm.
business partner. Even the address validity you can provide,
Mm-hmm.
from which address, from which date to which date you are actually your this address information is valid. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Now if I go to the address overview,
Mm-hmm.
I can see the address and its validity. Okay.
Okay.
If I go to identification, I I can see if you have the basic informations. Okay. Here,
Mm-hmm.
uh, the ID type is not maintained here, but we
Mm-hmm.
can maintain any ID type. Suppose if I
Okay.
see here, I can maintain any identity type:
Okay.
ID card, passport, legal entry number, employee ID, whatever.
Mm-hmm.
Got it? So
Okay.
suppose I can maintain anything, passport number, so that a
Mm-hmm.
business partner is uniquely identified
Mm-hmm.
through ID. Okay.
Okay.
So generally, what happens uh, when you go for electricity connections? Then what will happen? They will ask for certain IDs, right?
Yeah.
You will tell your name, and suppose I am Lalita, and I want electricity connection. So first thing they will ask any ID, that
Yeah.
yes, you are Lalita. Okay, then only they will
Mm.
entertain you. Without
Yeah.
ID, nobody will entertain. So suppose you provide your passport, हो ना, or any identity issued by any government authority, you will provide that. So they will
Yeah.
maintain that ID into your business partner.
Mm.
Okay.
Yeah.
There are few things, but I
Mm-hmm.
think those are not required now. Okay, because
Okay. Okay.
that is rarely we use BP type and everything. If I explain you right now,
Okay.
you will not able to understand.
Sure. Sure.
Then I can provide the payment transactions details,
Mm-hmm.
the ID, the country, the bank account number, control key. So these
Mm-hmm.
things we also provide at the business partner level. Suppose your bank account number, in which city your bank account branch lies. Okay, your bank account
Mm-hmm.
number,
Mm-hmm.
everything I will maintain.
Okay.
Next thing is status. Status generally denotes that whether this business partner is blocked, not released,
Okay.
or archived. Okay. So generally,
Okay.
if that business partner is not in use, generally we click
Mm-hmm.
on block, or we
Okay.
generally
Okay.
archive that business partner. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
But if they are active, then none of the flag will be checked. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Got it. So I
Yeah.
think first three tabs are important for you. First four, one, two, three, four, and five. Okay.
Okay.
These are the most important, and the rest are something need not to worry about that. Okay. These are the things
Mm-hmm.
where we maintain and analyze the data.
Okay.
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 So what we understood from business partner, that a business partner can have name, address, cell number, address validity,
Identification.
identifications, the bank
Mm-hmm.
informations, and a unique number to identify the business.
Mm-hmm.
Now next thing is the role.
Okay.
Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
this role is actually important in terms of utility industries. Okay. In
Mm-hmm.
utility
Okay.
industries, currently you can see only three roles, right? Partner, contact
Yeah.
person, financial services. But for
Yeah.
utility industries, we need a role called contract partner.
Okay.
Okay. This is
Mm-hmm.
actually designed by SAP, and SAP says that whenever any business partner created, So you can
Mm-hmm.
create that business partner in a contract partner role, so that a
Okay.
contract account can be created on that business partner. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So until unless the role is contract partner, we cannot create a contract account.
Okay.
That
Okay.
is the restriction. So currently there is no business partner. I don't know, but we
Mm-hmm.
can create a role whenever we will be creating the contract account. Okay.
Okay. Sure.
Now I will go to the contract account. The T
Mm-hmm.
code for contract account is CAA3. Okay.
Okay.
Suppose I search any contract account. Suppose this one. So this is also a number,
Mm-hmm.
right? 10 digit or 10
Yeah.
digit, I think, or 12 digit. Okay.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
You can see. This is the contract account.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So you know
Yeah.
that this is business partner and this is the contract account number. So business
Okay.
partner is linked to the contract account here, like that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
Then we have a lot of technical informations. I think you will not able to understand these informations, but I will tell
Mm-hmm.
one payment information. Okay.
Okay.
So contract account can have technical information, and one important technical information is the company code.
Okay.
Okay. So you
Mm-hmm.
know that what is company code, right?
Yeah. Every company has one code, company code.
One code, right? So
Yeah.
you are going to the electricity department. So electricity is the providing organization is also a company, right?
Yeah.
Right. They have also a company code, right?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
To to present the balance sheet and financial statement, they need a company code. So that company code
Company
is
code. Yeah.
actually maintained here. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So this
Okay.
contract account needs that company code because it is a
Mm-hmm.
must here. Okay.
Okay.
Now I had given one example to you that as a customer you says that hey you deduct the payment directly from my account for monthly
Mm-hmm.
invoice. Okay.
Okay.
So
Mm-hmm.
I can set up the payment method here:
Mm-hmm.
incoming payment method, outgoing payment method. So actually payment is going from my account, right? So I will set up some
Yeah.
outgoing payment method here.
Mm-hmm.
For that, currently there is no payment method. We
Mm-hmm.
need to maintain that. So for that payment, for invoice payment, that payment method
Mm-hmm.
will be maintained here, so that the SAP system knows that this customer is going to pay through direct debit process or outgoing payment method
Mm-hmm.
process. Okay.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
See, when we will see the real time scenarios, then it will be more clear picture, right? So currently we are
Okay.
just
Okay.
seeing the screen, and it will not help to understand much. But when we will perform the transition actually in the system, it will you will be able to understand in more
Okay.
convenient way. Okay.
This is for display. No, TKA3 is for display. Then for creating is TKA1.
Yeah, A1 right, C double A1
A1.
right.
C double
Okay.
A1. Okay.
See,
Mm-hmm.
so generally SAP has this standard for creation.
Yeah.
Generally, they perform one for changes. Perform
Creation.
they do two, and
Mm-hmm.
for display generally they have the three. So suppose I have
Three.
one
Yeah.
transaction CAA1 for creation,
Mm-hmm.
then you can
Yeah.
anticipate that CAA2 will be for changes,
Yeah.
CAA3 will be for display. So this is
Okay.
the
Okay.
standard from SAP. Generally, it
Yeah.
happens with the
Yeah.
maximum number of T codes.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Then this contract account has another technical information.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What is correspondence? How dunning procedure will be there?
Okay.
Everything. Okay. And this is for convergent
Okay.
invoicing. This tab is added because the new solution came for from SAP Brim. So that is relevant to Brim only. So we will not maintain
Okay.
anything here for our FICA training. That we will left blank.
Oh.
But we will generally deal with general data, payment taxes,
Mhm.
and correspondence. Okay.
Correspond. Okay.
Currently it is blank
Mm-hmm.
because I think nobody has maintained that or data is not in the system. So once
Mm-hmm.
that is available, you will able to see the data. Okay. Let me
Yeah.
check.
Yeah. Okay.
Let me check some account here. No values found. No worries. Actually,
Okay.
now next thing is contract. Okay, it is currently system is dumping. No
Mm-hmm.
problem. We will check what happened actually. It is currently giving dump.
Okay.
So you understood, right? What is business
Yeah.
partner
Yeah.
contract account? You
Yeah.
have
Yeah.
any doubt till now? You
Currently,
can
no.
ask
It's
any
it's
questions.
okay.
Okay.
Currently, it's fine. Okay. Yeah.
So I hope that this session was
Maybe.
useful for you.
Yeah. Thank you so
Okay,
much.
at
Huh?
least you understood the basic things, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So currently, which company you are working?
Maybe maybe next week I'll come to know about that. Huh? They have some
Okay,
requirements,
next week.
so right, I'll come to know. Recently, I have completed my contract. That one in SD, the one which I am working in SD. So
SD.
next week probably I will. Yeah. So recently I have completed
Mm-hmm.
with that, and I'm looking for the. They said that they have some FICA requirement. So maybe next
Mm-hmm.
week or so I'll come to know regarding that. So I want to know. I want to take the training in that because I don't know. I don't have any idea this with this FICA.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So I
Okay,
want to take that one. Previously, I used to do with the
right.
Coca-Cola one with that WMS SD,
Mm-hmm.
and I am done with the contract that one.
Okay. So where are you residing nowadays? Like
Currently, I am in Joburg,
uh,
South Africa, Joburg, Johannesburg.
South Africa or Johannesburg.
Yeah.
Okay. So actually, I was thinking you are in India, so I was. Uh,
No, no, I was
but
from
I think you
India
understand,
only,
right?
but my
How
husband.
the how the
Yeah, I understood.
how the things. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, I am from Hyderabad itself.
Hyderabad. Okay.
We are from Hyderabad, and you are from Hyderabad itself.
No, no, I am not from Hyderabad.
Okay, okay,
I am from
okay.
Indore.
Indore. Okay, okay. Thank you so much. Huh? I'll get back to Shravanti. So,
Okay, okay, no problem.
thank you for
Yeah.
your time.
Thank
Thank
you,
you so much.
guys. Yeah. Yeah.